2024 Tesla Cybertruck, the Cyber Beast. Have you ever seen a multifunctional truck that can also be used as a personal vehicle for your day to day activities? Imagine a beastly machine straight out of a sci fi movie. Join me as we explore the bizarre features and characteristics of this real life beast that's bullet resistant and multifunctional. Named fittingly as the Cyber Beast, the premium model is a triple motor Cybertruck, wielding an impressive combined horsepower of 845. According to Tesla, the Cyber Beast can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds and achieve top speed of 130 miles per hour. The Tesla Cybertruck is a jaw dropping, head turning marvel that will make you question everything you thought you knew about trucks. The first thing you'll notice on this truck is there's no door handles. It can only be opened by a tiny button, which opens it a little bit, and then you'll open them fully with your hands to get in. It has the biggest windshield wiper on any other Tesla model. Let's explore the truck. The best part about it is that you don't have to lift anything or apply any force to open it. You can control it with a button by pressing it to open as far as it can. And then you have this huge trunk. The first thought you'll have when you see it is to put up a mattress on it and sleep all through with how spacious it is. You can spend the night on it doing whatever you like. The trunk also has a power outlet to charge your electric gadgets and devices. As I delve deeper into examining this car, I find myself contemplating various aspects. It seems like a car designed for showcasing, saying, "Look at me, capturing moments with my car." On another note, it strikes me as an entertainment car. While it could serve practical purposes like construction work, I envision using it to explore the country or travel across the globe with my family. Including portable fridges for drinks is a thoughtful touch. Interestingly, this part can double as a fridge. Additionally, they've considered practicality, as the mobile connector can be utilized for draining water if you decide to use it as a fridge. Yet, it also serves as an extra storage space. What appeals to me about this truck is that being a girl and not particularly strong. The typical image of construction workers with robust trucks can be intimidating. However, with this Cybertruck, everything is incredibly easy to operate. I can effortlessly manage without exerting much force, allowing me to wear heels and stylish outfits without a hitch. So, for any girl considering a Cybertruck, go for it. There's even extra space for your purse, and it's both easy to operate and stylish. Now, let's take a look at the back seat. Testing how spacious they are, the seats could offer a bit more reclining for a cozier position, but overall it's acceptable. Imagine scenarios with two kids and car seats, perhaps a booster. The space seems manageable, yet there's a silver lining. A perfect screen for kids' entertainment with access to YouTube and all my channels. The ability to lift the seats for extra room caught my attention from reviews. It's surprisingly easy. Pull a lever, lift one seat, then another. Operating this car is a breeze, unlike the usual confusion stroller or other necessities in the back. I commend the glass moon rooftop for flooding the car with perfect lighting and a thoughtful touch. Initially, the steering wheel stands out for its remarkable convenience, a significant improvement from the yoke steering wheel. Tesla loves different designs. They've had about 6 different designs of steering wheels in the past 10 years. Finally, they recognize the need for more substantial upper part to grip. If you look at the screen, it's very responsive. It's more responsive than the current Teslas, and it's futuristic, as you can see the Cybertruck on the screen inside the Cybertruck. Now let's move on to the center console. It's a very large center console with plenty of space. And of course, there's a big glove box with only one USB-C port in it, and it's 60 watts. They have 2 wireless chargers, and they work pretty well with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Additionally, the acceleration is a pure joy, surging to 60 miles in just 2 seconds in beast mode, ensuring high-speed stability. Thanks to steer-by-wire and rear steering, you enjoy the agility of a sports car with a superior turning radius surpassing that of most sedans. It responds to incredible sensitivity to action. A slight press on the pedal results in acceleration, and gentle wheel turning directs it precisely where I intend. It's impressively cool, a delightful experience. The Tesla Cybertruck costs $62,000, which is quite funny as the Tesla X costs $118,000. And the Tesla Cybertruck is much better. One thing that's really cool about the Cybertruck is it's the first vehicle to have this. It has a powerful trunk. And there's a button right on the front, so once the trunk opens up, you'll have all the space for your stuff in smaller suitcases. The foundational Cybertruck boasts a rating range of 318 miles, primarily due to its larger off-road wheels and tires. However, later this year they plan to introduce more conventional wheels that promise an improving range of 340 miles. Now to the exterior. The truck features robust stainless steel to reduce dents and damage and ensure it lasts long. It is impressively tough and even bullet resistant, though not entirely bulletproof. Despite its durability, it does attract fingerprints quite noticeably. The screen has different control modes like the Romance mode and the Sketchpad Mars mode, which is different here as the Mars mode changes how it looks by giving it an orangish look. And of course, all the controls are still on the screen. Other features like gaming modes enable you to play games, and you can also watch what's happening outside the vehicle with the camera equipped with the Tesla Cybertruck. And there's cruise control. The Tesla Cybertruck has a blind spot indicator with a bit of a red light, and when the signal is turned on, it blinks to show there's someone or a vehicle in the way. And there's a little bit of noise when driving the truck. Transport all your necessities effortlessly with a payload of 2,500 pounds and an impressive towing capacity of 11,000 pounds, equivalent to the weight of an average African elephant. The exceptionally durable composite bed eliminates the need for a liner and comfortably accommodates 4x8 construction materials. You can embark on a journey covering up to 340 miles on a single charge. Ample range to take you into the backcountry and beyond. Recharge swiftly, gaining up to 136 miles of range with just 15 minutes of supercharging. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Cybertruck feature is, because mine is the trunk. If you like this video, check out the new 2024 Lexus GA550, the toughest luxury SUV ever made. You definitely will like it. Thanks for watching.